There's not one solution fits all. And it's something we've been looking a lot at. How do you implement AI in the workplace? I'll give you an example. I was speaking in Germany 2 days ago with one of our partners, and they said that they implemented the AI for Work solution. Workers, knowledge workers had an interface they could query and ask questions and research and all the rest of it. They found that the noise in the workplace went down by 20%. By noise, I mean they found that the rate at which knowledge workers asked advice from their managers and their peers went down by 20%. And this is without any focus or any fine-tuning for that specific. So that gives you an idea of how, in a workplace there's noise and there's disruption. And every time someone asks a question or escalates something, that's disruption in the efficiency of humans working together.